Imagine a culinary landscape as vibrant and diverse as its rich history. Welcome to the world of Mexican cuisine. This cuisine is a flavorful fiesta, a medley of unique ingredients, and a testament to the country's cultural heritage. Each dish tells a tale of tradition, a story of the regions from which they hail, and the people who brought them to life. From the humble corn and chili to the complex blend of spices, Mexican cooking is a testament to the country's rich biodiversity. These flavors, these textures, they're not just food, they're a celebration of life itself. Mexican cuisine is not just about eating, it's about experiencing. It's about understanding the soul of a nation through its food. It's about the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones, the warmth of a family gathering, the contentment of a well-cooked meal. Now let's dive into the heart of this cuisine and explore some of the most popular traditional dishes. Hello everyone. This is your travel guide Roy, delivering a taste of Mexico right to you. First up, the iconic tacos and the flavorful enchiladas. Tacos, a staple in Mexican cuisine, are traditionally made with soft corn or flour tortillas. They are generously filled with a variety of ingredients such as well-seasoned meats, fish, shrimp, or even vegetables. To add that extra punch, they're often topped off with a dash of salsa, onions, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. On the other hand, we have enchiladas, corn rolled around a delectable filling. This could be shredded chicken, beef, or cheese. The highlight, however, is the chili sauce they're smothered in. Red-green salsa, take your pick. To finish, they're adorned with cheese, onions, and sometimes a dollop of sour cream. Tacos and enchiladas, despite their differences, share a common trait. They are both versatile and customizable, catering to a multitude of taste preferences. No matter the time of day, these dishes promise to satiate your hunger and tantalize your taste buds. Next, we have the comforting tamales and the complex mole. Tamales, a classic Mexican food, are a delightful package of corn dough or masa filled with a variety of ingredients such as seasoned meats, cheese, or even spicy chili peppers. These are then wrapped snugly in corn husks or banana leaves and steamed to perfection, resulting in a soft, flavorful bite that warms your heart and soul. On the other hand, mole, a rich and intricate sauce, stands as a testament to the complexity of Mexican cuisine. Made with a blend of chili peppers, chocolate, spices, seeds, and sometimes even fruit, mole is a symphony of flavors that is often served over chicken or turkey. Accompanied by a side of rice and tortillas, this dish is a culinary adventure that takes your taste buds on a journey through the diverse landscapes of Mexico. These dishes truly embody the soul of Mexican cuisine, combining traditional ingredients in an extraordinary way. Now, let's explore the spicy Chiles Rellenos and the hearty Pozole. Chiles Rellenos, a dish that lets you taste the fiery spirit of Mexico. It starts with plump, glossy poblano peppers, filled to the brim with a blend of cheese and meat. The peppers are then cocooned in a fluffy batter and fried to a golden perfection. The result? A symphony of textures. The crisp exterior giving way to a molten cascade of cheese and meat, all wrapped in the soft, smoky pepper. Every bite is an adventure, a spicy kick tempered by the soothing cheese and rich meat. Now, picture a bowl of pozole, a soup that's like a warm embrace on a cold day. Hominy, the star of the show, lends a unique, comforting texture. It's joined by tender chunks of meat, all swimming in a broth seasoned with chili peppers and garlic. Each spoonful is a hearty mouthful, a testament to the soul-nourishing power of traditional Mexican cuisine. Whether you crave something spicy or something to warm your soul, these dishes have got you covered. Moving on to the delightful breakfast dish, chilaquiles, and the refreshing ceviche. Chilaquiles, a beloved morning meal, is a symphony of fried corn tortillas cut into quarters, simmered in red or green salsa until they reach a perfect, tender crispness. This dish often comes adorned with a crown of cheese, sour cream, onions, and avocado, making it a truly lavish start to the day. Some might even add eggs or shredded chicken to this flavorful feast. Now, let's dive into the world of ceviche, a dish that, while originating in Peru, has found a cherished place in Mexican coastal cuisine. Ceviche is a refreshing concoction of raw fish or seafood, marinated in a bath of citrus juices like lime or lemon. It's a dance of flavors with onions, cilantro, chili peppers, and other seasonings joining the party. A perfect antidote to a hot day or a brilliant starter to whet your appetite. These dishes offer a delightful start to your day or a refreshing break from the heat. Next, we delve into the creamy guacamole and the crispy flautas. Guacamole, a crowd favorite, is a velvety dip crafted from ripe avocados blended with a squeeze of lime juice, a handful of finely chopped onions, ripe tomatoes, fresh cilantro, and a dash of chili peppers. This luscious concoction is often served with tortilla chips, but it also makes a delightful topping for tacos and other dishes. Then we have flautas, the crispy delight of Mexican cuisine. Imagine tortillas tightly rolled around a filling of shredded chicken, beef or cheese, then fried until they reach a golden crispy perfection. This dish is typically served with a side of salsa, a dollop of guacamole, a drizzle of sour cream, and a sprinkle of shredded lettuce, creating a symphony of textures and flavors that dance on the palate. These dishes are proof that sometimes the simplest ingredients can create the most extraordinary flavors. Finally, we have the versatile sopes. These are a marvelous creation of the Mexican kitchen, a testament to the incredible diversity of this cuisine. Sopes are essentially thick, round, handcrafted corn tortillas, a little like a shallow bowl. They're cooked on a griddle until they puff up, then the edges are pinched to create a rim. The magic of sopes is the multitude of toppings they can hold. Typically they're smeared with refried beans, a staple in Mexican cuisine. The beans provide a wonderful base for the layers to follow. It could be tender shredded chicken or juicy chunks of pork or beef. On top of that, a sprinkle of crisp lettuce adds a refreshing crunch, followed by a generous layer of cheese. A dollop of sour cream lends a creamy touch, and a spoonful of salsa brings a fiery kick. Whether as a snack or a meal, sopes are sure to leave you satisfied. From the iconic tacos to the versatile sopes, we've explored the rich flavors of Mexican cuisine. Let's take a moment to savor the journey we've been on, revisiting the vibrant tastes and tantalizing textures that make Mexican food a global favorite. We began with tacos, the quintessential Mexican dish, a delightful medley of seasoned meats, fish or vegetables, nestled in a warm tortilla and topped with fresh salsa, onions, cilantro and a squeeze of lime. Then we moved on to enchiladas, those enticing rolls of corn tortillas filled with shredded chicken, beef or cheese, bathed in a robust chili sauce, and garnished with cheese, onions, and sometimes a dollop of sour cream. Next, we delved into tamales, a comforting package of masa dough filled with a variety of ingredients, wrapped in corn husks or banana leaves and steamed to perfection. We also explored the world of mole, a complex and rich sauce that blends chili peppers, chocolate, spices, nuts and seeds, served over poultry and accompanied by rice and tortillas. Chiles Rellenos introduced us to the magic of poblano peppers stuffed with cheese or meat, battered and fried to a crispy finish, often served with a tangy tomato-based sauce. Pozole took us on a journey of taste with its hearty soup made from hominy, meat, and a flavorful blend of spices, adorned with a rainbow of fresh garnishes. We woke up to the breakfast favorite, Chilaquiles, crispy fried corn tortillas cooked with salsa and topped with cheese, sour cream, onions, and avocado. Our coastal detour led us to ceviche, a refreshing dish of raw fish or seafood marinated in citrus juices, mixed with onions, cilantro, and chili peppers. Guacamole, the creamy avocado-based dip, tantalized our taste buds, while flautas, crispy rolled-up tortillas filled with shredded meat or cheese, offered a satisfying crunch. Finally, we ended our culinary journey with sopes, thick corn tortillas topped with an array of ingredients, similar to tostadas but with a thicker, more substantial base. Mexican cuisine, with its vast array of traditional dishes, promises a culinary adventure like no other. So, next time you're dining out or cooking at home, why not explore these delicious dishes?